A 50 ml solution of calcium hydroxide with an unknown concentration was titrated with 0.350 molar of HNO3. To reach the endpoint, a total of 29 ml of HNO3 was required. So for part A, the question is, how many moles of HNO3 are used in the titration? So we know that the formula for molarity is moles over liters. So if you're going to solve for the moles, all you have to do is to multiply both sides of the equation by liters. So liters cancels on the right side. So what's left on the right side is moles. And on the left side, you have liters times the molarity. So in the problem, we are given the volume of the HNO3 solution, which is 29 ml. But remember, the volume must be in liters. So we need to divide it by 1,000. So 29 divided by 1,000. So the volume would be 0.029 liters. And for the molarity, it's also given in the problem, it's 0.350 molar. So we know that molar is the same as moles per liter, right? So the molarity is 0.350 moles per liter. So as you can see, the liters would cancel out. So to get the moles, that's 0.029 times 0.350. And when you solve that, you will get 0.01015, and that's your moles of HNO3. So the answer to part A is 0.01015.